So for this lesson, I want to show you how you can play a sound effect whenever you are out of ammo. So whenever you're out of ammo, you hear this clicking sound from the rifle. You can try to implement it yourself. I believe you can if you just take a good look at it. However, if you're not sure, let's go ahead and do it together. So let's go ahead and open up the player now whenever it saves here. So let's open up the player base. And inside of here, again, we need to use this multicast. However, I'm going to add a boolean here saying has ammo. So whenever we have ammo, we can play all of this. So if I just drag and write a branch like this here. So whenever we have ammo, we're going to play all of this like what we have done before. However, if we do not have ammo, I want to play another sound effect. So I want to take this, play sound at location. So I can just drag from here and say play sound at location. And what sound do you want to play? Now we need to add it to the structure once again. And as for the location, we already have the location. So we can just plug it in here and compile. Now for the structure, let's go ahead and open up the structure and let's make a new variable. And we can just call this out of ammo sound effect. And let's change this to a sound cue. Go ahead and select it and go ahead and save. And I think I'll just move it up to where it's under the shooting sound effect. So all of the sound effects are together. Let's save everything. And once again, let's open up the data table and let's go to the right here at the end. Here, after the shooting sound effect, I'm going to right click and add one to the right. And then we can say out of ammo SFX. And inside of here, let's just copy the reference. So right now we don't have any references because we haven't imported anything yet. So let's go to the audio folder here, open up the sound effects. And here, if you go to the course materials, I have included for you some audio. So if you open up this audio, and I have included this out of ammo. So if I just make this larger, out of ammo AK-47, out of ammo M4A1, and out of ammo pistol. Go ahead and select all three, click and drag them into the content browser. And inside of here, select all three, right click and create multiple queues. Once again, I'm going to rename all of them just to stay consistent. We rename them SC as the prefix for sound queue. I'm also going to do that for the pistol here. And let us do that for the last one. So the last one is the AK-47. Let's call it sound cue at the beginning, just like that. Okay, I'm going to open up the AK-47 one. I'm also going to open up the pistol and I'm going to open up the M4. And I want to reduce the sound because it's probably really loud for me. So I'm going to put it to 0.2, also to not make it annoying for you on this course. So now I can hear it. Okay, so this is the out of ammo sound effects. So now let's close it down and let us copy the references. So let's right click the AK, copy reference. I'm going to go back to my data table. And for the AK, this is the first one. I'm going to paste it. For the M4, right click, copy reference, paste it. The pistol, right click, copy reference, and paste it here as well. File, download CSV just like before. Open up the downloads folder, and inside of here, once again, I'm going to delete the old one, paste it on the new one, rename it, and go to data tables and drag it into here so it is updated. And let us save everything. Okay, so let's go back to the player and let's open up the player base. Now, for this one, we now have this here. So what we can do, we can use this out of ammo sound effects. So I'm just going to drag this here back because we don't really need to copy paste this once again. I'm going to make reroute notes for all of this, so it's actually better to look at within 1 to 2 lessons. So here what we can do is out of ammo sound effect, we can drag it into here. So now it's going to play the sound effect whenever we do not have ammo. Now we're not fully finished because we actually also need to define when we have ammo or not. So here in the MC shoot weapon, we need to tick this. Remember to make this true. This is the normal code that we have, and we already have ammo here whenever we are shooting because we're basically taking a look here if we are out of ammo or not and all of that stuff here. So just tick it here and that will be correct. Now, whenever we do not have ammo, so whenever this is actually false, let's try to do some code here. So let me just move this up slightly and let me just copy paste this and let me move this down slightly as well, just so we have some space to work with. So now for this one, let's connect it. And here we need to do the code. So for the weapon, again, I'm going to drag the same weapon from up here, drag it into here. And for the location, it's the same location. And for the ammo now, we need to make sure we have ammo because we don't want to just play this whenever we go down here. So here, basically what you want to check, we want to play this sound whenever you have 0 bullets. So 0 bullets in the mag and 0 bullets in the extra bullets. So we can actually use the extra bullets to check here. So I believe we have a function already. This one has extra ammo. So we can actually use this one. And we can go ahead and say, if you have extra ammo, you can go ahead and play it as normal. If you don't have extra ammo, you can go ahead and play this sound effect. So whenever has extra ammo is false, then we can go ahead and play this shooting sound effect where we are out of ammo. So this should fix everything. So let's compile and let's click on play. And now here, I want to play as the terrorist. So now if I just keep shooting my weapon, so I'm going to keep shooting and skip the video. Okay, so now I am at the final bullets. And if I keep shooting and I reach, you can hear now if I reach 0 bullets, I'm going to play this out of ammo sound effect. And you can hear I don't have any bullets. If I just switch here and play the other sound effects, now you can see it's normal because I have remember I've disconnected the sound effect for the shooting right now. And if I reach 0 bullets, you can hear I have 0 bullets. So this is how we can do it. Let's compile and save everything. And I'm just going to, like before I continue now, I'm actually going to clean all of this up before we continue because it looks like a mess and it's also harder to follow on this course. So let me just compile. In my off time, I'm just going to uh, organize all of this so it's a lot better to look at. So just go ahead and create reroute notes, create comments and all of that. So I'll see you in the next one.